Come with me and I will show you the toy factory. Santa Claus has got lots of little helpers in the factory. They are little elves and they are very busy now.
The dolls are almost finished. This one here needs a little more makeup. It's for Lily in Linden. She was such a good girl all year.
But who is this teddy bear for?
It's for Sam and Samba. He is trying to be good.
Well, the teddy bear doesn't look nice yet. Can you give me that leather jacket and those sunglasses, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you.
Let me help you.
There, that's just right for him. Such a cool teddy bear.
I need purple hair, a nose ring, and ripped jeans for this doll.
Why? Who on earth is that for?
It's for Pink's daughter Willow in Las Vegas.
Oh, I see.
Have you got your computers all packed?
Yes, they are over there. Who's getting there?
One is for Ina in Ickelbach.
For Ina in Ickelbach.
One is for Steve in Stelzenberg.
For Steve in Stelzenberg.
And one is for Horst in Hohenecken.
For Horst in Hohenecken. And we need some CDs for the right kids in Springfield.
They already over there. There's Michael Jackson for Joe, Lena for Lena, and the Black Eyed Peas for Benjamin.
And what about this